Apparently, Baby Yoda is everywhere, and it's the cutest thing I've ever seen, so I decided that I'm gonna draw it. And please excuse me for my voice, I caught a fever and yes, I'm sick. Okay, I roughly did the sketch and this is how it's gonna look. Well, it's gonna be better, trust me. Let's get the sexy red book and let's start drawing. Anyway, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. I'm new, so I appreciate your support. Also, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of the channel.
Storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive. Where the grass is green, we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side. I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black hole. Sing for my soul through the black hole to make myself whole again. You want the truth, you're having doubts. But if I tell you now, the sun dies out. 'Cause I can only give you my heart. When the darkest clouds begin to part, I hope I'll see you on the other side. I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black hole. Sing for my soul through the black hole to make myself whole again. I'll give you my love. Can't give you my love. No, I'll give you my love. Can't give you my love. I'll give you my love into the black hole. Sing for my soul through the black hole to make myself whole again. Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman, but he's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys, they know it. Fast money, don't slow up. No one can control it. Yeah, and I got this soda now. Remy boys, they know us. Hey, fast money, don't slow up. No one can control it. Yeah, she's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Herbs the word, spins the verb. Lovers it could freak what you are. I like the way you work it. I'm about to bag it up. way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No, no, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know us. Fast money don't slow us. No one can control. No, no, yeah. And I got this soda now. Remy boys that know us. Hey, fast money don't slow us. No, 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 they can't control us. No, no, no. No diggity, darling. I like the way you work it. No diggity, darling. I'm about to bang. 1738. No diggity, darling. I like the way you work it. I'm about to bag it up. No diggity, darling. I'm about to bag it up.
Once again, your phone says that you're busy, and all my texts are falling to the ground. Once again, you tell the same old story. Yeah, telling me sure to stop with all the doubt. Not having no illusion, you're gonna lose me. Finally, I've taken enough. 'Cause you're all delusion, playing confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up, and it's getting strong. Not having no illusion, you're gonna lose me. Finally, I've taken enough. 'Cause you're all delusion, playing confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up, and it's your karma, your karma. You're gonna learn just how to let go.